ठुकराए और जिंदगी को अपना
To all the people of Kalaburagi city, every year on this day, June 26th, we do this international day against drug abuse. On this occasion today we have taken up campaigning against drug abuse. If you go into details against drug abuse, the main drug which is rampant in the city is ganja. So we are taking very strict action against this ganja. So there are especially mainly the youth from 15 to 30 years age. So youth of this age are becoming vulnerable to this drug abuse, and they are taking ganja. There are reasons are many. One, they want to experiment. Some people want to experiment, and some people are feeling bored. That's why they are taking it. Some youth are feeling under severe stress. To avoid that stress, they are taking drugs. So mainly because of this drug abuse or drug addiction, the violence at home is increasing and the crimes in society is increasing, and students of in schools or colleges, they are showing very poor performance in education, and above and all this drug addiction is or abuse is creating so very severe health issues temporarily as well as permanently, and sometimes this is leading that family into poverty. So there are so many consequences of this drug consumption. That's why we are taking it very seriously, and also we appeal to the society as well as parents and teachers, especially schools and students should keep a surveillance on their students. So what they are doing, if you see, observe some schools, in front of schools some people might be selling drugs. If ever they come across, they can inform us. Similarly, we also appeal to the parents that they should keep a watch on their children, what children are doing, and they should keep in continuous communication with their children to avoid this drug addiction. Most of the people who feel lonely and who feel stressed, they are the one who are going to the drugs. So to prevent this drug abuse and drug supply, we are following two-pronged approach. One is supply and second is demand. Supply side, we are strictly taking action against the drug suppliers. So if you see 2020, we booked so many cases in the Kalaburagi city. Karnataka state itself declared war on drugs. As part of that, we booked many cases, and this year also we are booking, and we will continue this action for long time. And second, demand side. So demand side, we are creating more awareness among the parents, teachers and the youth to not to go for a drug addiction. And also we are just counseling them also against this. So because of these programs, so many people have come back from drug addiction. They are leading the normal life. We want everyone to do this. So if they come across any information on drug supply, they can call to 112, or if they find any child drug abuse, they can call 1098. We Kalaburagi cities are always available to take action against the drug abuse. We follow zero tolerance against the drugs.
Sir, depression plays a vital role in this drug, sir. So what? Depression, sir. Many things listed from depression only. So what is city police doing for that, sir? Any psychological programs?
Yeah, see, one is that we are encouraging teachers, parents to keep a watch. If they find any abnormal in their children or student behavior, referring to the counseling one. And if they are if already drug addicted, they are being sent to drug de-addiction centers. So at the parallelly, to prevent the supply, we are taking action against the drug suppliers.
इसका मेन मकसद यही है कि लोगों को अवेयर किया जाए कि वो ड्रग यूज़ से बचें और ड्रग यूज़ करने के लिए या करने के बाद क्राइम की तरफ ना जाएं, तो उसके लोगों के अंदर एक जागरूकता फैलाने के लिए ये कैंपेन स्टार्ट किया।
सर, आप काफ़ी साल से गुलबर्गा में किस एरियाज़ में ज़्यादा केसेस डिटेक्ट होते हैं, तो उन केसेस को कंट्रोल करने के लिए पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से क्या एक्शंस लिए जाएंगे?
एज सच तो किसी पर्टिकुलर एरिया का नाम नहीं लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये जो प्रॉब्लम है ये ऑल ओवर द सिटी, ऑल ओवर द कंट्री फैला हुआ है। बट यही है कि जो थोड़ा सा पुअर एरियाज़ हैं वहाँ पे ये प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा ज़्यादा दिखता है। उसका रीज़न भी यही है क्योंकि उनके पास पैसे की कमी होती है, तो जो पैसे उनके बच्चों के पढ़ाई लिखाई पे या अपने घर पे खाने पीने पे कपड़े वगैरह पे खर्च करने चाहिए, वो पैसे वो ड्रग्स पे यूज़ करते हैं।
सर ड्रग्स मीन सिर्फ गांजा या चरस नहीं, मेडिकल फील्ड में भी कई सारे ड्रग्स हैं जो आजकल यूथ लेटेस्ट कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, तो यूथ को अपनी तरफ से आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने। गांजा तो ऐसा ड्रग है जिसके बारे में सारे लोग जानते हैं, लेकिन आजकल छोटे छोटे बच्चे मेडिकल शॉप पे जाके काफ़ी सारे ऐसी मेडिसिन्स हैं जिनको बिना प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के नहीं मिलना चाहिए, लेकिन वो किसी तरह से वो उनको ले लेते हैं, उनको कंज्यूम करते हैं। तो बचपन से ही कंज्यूम करने की वजह से उनके ब्रेन पे भी असर पड़ता है, उनकी पढ़ाई लिखाई पे भी असर पड़ता है।
कोशिश पूरी करना चाहिए कि इससे खरीद किया जाए और उसके बाद कलबुर्गी सिटी पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट आज बड़ी आती है कैंपेन जोरदार तालियां सभी की तरफ से। The launch of the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Trafficking and सवाल हो जाता है इसकी वजह से दिमाग to fight against the drug abuse, ड्रग्स को ठुकराओ और जिंदगी को अपनाओ।